Good afternoon, madam. What can I do for you?
Yes, I want to buy some postcards. Do you know where I can get them?
Yes, you can buy them here. We have 3 kinds of postcards: $1, $2, and $5. Which one do you want?
Oh, can I have a look at them?
Yes, please.
I want this card. Is it $2 each?
Yes, how many do you want?
3. This is $10 here.
Here's your change.
Thank you. One more question. I can send my postcards from this post office, right?
Yes, madam. Our office hour is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.